Hello everyone, welcome back to Knit Crow Addict channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a cute little flower here. And I use this flower to make this beautiful crop top right here. If you haven't seen that video tutorial, I will put the link in the description below as well. This flower is very easy to make. And you can use any yarn and any hook size that you like. So today I use Lion Brand Coboo yarn to show you, and size 4mm crochet hook. So first you're gonna make a slip knot. You can use any method you prefer for making a slip knot, and then make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then slip stitch into the first chain that you did right here. So I insert the hook into the first chain there, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through. And now we have a ring. And then we're gonna chain 2. And make 2 double crochet into the ring space. So yarn over hook, insert the hook into the ring space there. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same ring space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're gonna chain 2, and then slip stitch into the same ring space. So insert the hook into the same ring space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it through. And now I have 1 petal, and we need to repeat this 4 more times. So we're gonna have 5 petals total. Don't worry, I will show you everything. So yeah, just repeat that. So we chain 2, and then make 2 double crochet into the same ring space. And then chain 2, slip stitch into the same ring space. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same ring space. And then chain 2, slip stitch into the same ring space. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same ring space. Oops. And then chain 2, slip stitch into the same ring space. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same ring space. Chain 2, slip stitch into the same ring space. So sometimes like you run out of this space, so you can squeeze this petal down a little bit so you have space to work on. Okay, so yeah, after I chain 2 here, I gonna slip stitch into the same ring space there, like that, and adjust a little bit. So now I have 5 petals. And if you want more than 5 petals, you just keep repeating this pattern, okay? So I think 5 petals is beautiful. So after I have 5 petals, I'm gonna chain 1 to lock the yarn. All right, and then now I can cut the yarn. I just like to leave a little bit of tail just to sew into my project later, whatever I'm working on. I'm gonna use this tail to sew into my project. And then pull the yarn out, and I'm done. That's it. It's very, very easy. See here. Easy and beautiful. And you can use this flower to sew into your project to make it more interesting. Yay! I hope you enjoy making this cute little flower here. If you did, please give this video a big thumb up and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.